am Miss Vaslin on day 11 with your math and science video. I'm going to start with our assignments. So for math, it's going to be to do 3 pages. It's actually only 2 pages because in my 3rd page of my packet was blank. So I'm only showing 2 pages. I'm assuming yours is 2. And the science is going to check and graph the weather in your science journal. So as always, we're going to start with counting forward and backwards. Remember, when I count forward, the numbers get bigger. So I'm going to put 51 in my head and then count on 4 spots. Okay, so I would do 51, 52. I can also do that backwards, except the numbers will get smaller. Again, I'm going to put 51 in my head and I will count back 4 spots. So 51, the number before 51 is 50. So I'm going to put that there. It then wants you to find the number 51 in the box. Every time you find it, you may circle or color it. And then we can figure out how many times you found the number of the day today. Down below in the green boxes, it shows you again different ways to subtract. Remember, you can group them like a temp frame and subtract it that way. You can use a number bond. You can also use a number line to also subtract. So it wants you to show your favorite way to subtract. Any one of those will work. It has some story problems on the next page where it says 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are all, and 9. Those are all story problems, just like we would do in class. Okay, so now that I've gone over them, and like I said, they only have 2 pages in my section. So I'm going to check off math because I just reviewed that. I'm now going to move on to science and check and graph the weather in my science journal. So again, I'm going to go to my spring science journal and then I'm going to pull out that graphing paper. So I remember from yesterday that I had 5 sunny and then if I add 2 partly cloudy to 2 rainy, that becomes 4. And 1 more becomes 5. And I know if I add those 5 to my 5 sunny, my group of 5 sunny, that gives me 10. So if I add 1 more today, that will make 11. And I noticed when I looked outside, it was partly sunny. So I put a little line and partly sunny for today. So now I have 11. I wonder if there was a different combination of 5 that I could make, or 10. Since I just reviewed and graphed the weather in my science journal, I'm now going to put a check there. You are now done with your packet for math and science for today. If you've already finished your reading and writing, yay, you're all finished for today's work. If not, head on over and watch the reading and writing. I'll see you tomorrow for day 12. Bye, class.